All right, let's get started running C Sharp. So first thing we're going to do is go to this address here, and I'll put a link to this in the description of this video. And you want to download your .NET SDK. SDK is, what does it stand for again? Software Development Kit, something like that. Anyway, it should give you the right recommended version for your computer, so just click on this and go through the install process. Once you're done the installation, you should be able to check that it installed if you just go to type CMD for command prompt. And in your command prompt, just zoom in a little bit here. That made the window big too. Zoom in, there we go. You should be able to just type .NET, and then if you go -- version, it should run, right? It should tell you what version that it is. If it doesn't do that, then something went wrong and you can ask me for help. Okay, so with that being installed, that should be good to go. And then inside of Visual Studio Code, what I recommend is make sure you get the C# extension. Okay, so I've already installed it, but C# from Microsoft enable that extension. Okay, once that's done, we should be able to get ready to get started here. So I'm going to go to my Windows Explorer here and go to my F drive, and I created a folder called C#. So just make your whatever project folder you want, or unit folder, that kind of stuff. And in here, we're going to create a new folder and we're going to start with the classic Hello World program. All right, so Hello World. And this is a little bit different. What I want to do now is inside of this Hello World program, I actually just learned this. If you click in the address bar here and type CMD, it'll open your command prompt with the current folder open. Right? So F drive, C#, Hello World. And what we want to do, again, let's zoom in here so you can see a little easier. Okay, what we want to do to set up our C# project is use that .NET command, right? We just installed that. And you're going to go .NET space new space console. We're going to start building console applications where our programs are just going to run in basically the command prompt like this. This is a console. All right, and what this will do if we hit this, hopefully everything runs smoothly. Yeah, created successfully, yay, blah, blah, blah. So if we go back here, you'll see inside of our Hello World program, you'll see that it's set up the things that we need to run a C# console app. And this program.cs is where we're going to write our code. All right. And then another cool shortcut, since we've got this command prompt open, we can actually write code space and then a dot. And that's a command to actually open Visual Studio Code with the current directory. That's what the dot is, the current directory. So if I hit that, it'll open up a new VS Code. So I guess I can close this one. Yes, I trust the authors. Okay, so open up a new VS Code with this Hello World project. And there's my program.cs. And guess what? It actually does Hello World for me already. Yay! Okay, now when we set this up, it's gonna, that C# extension should say, hey, you have to require some assets. So far, in my experimentation, this always comes up whenever you make a new project. I haven't figured out yet how to install it globally. But just the first time you make the project, you say, yes, please, I need those assets. And it adds this little VS Code folder, which has these commands that it needs in order to do its thing. Cool. Okay, we don't need to look at that though. We can delete this here and just have our comment. This is my Hello World program by Mr. V, or actually it just came there. So console.writeLine is how we can write to the console, right? Hello World. We could do another, oh good, it has the auto completion stuff, right? WriteLine. This is C#. And we must have semicolon. Okay, now how do we actually run this thing? So I save the program, it's got commands in it, what do I do? So what I recommend is let's use our command prompt. Right, it's a console application, so I'm just going to open this up on the side here and open this up over here. Resize a little bit. Okay, and I'm inside of my Hello World folder. We just need to type .NET space and then run. And that should, it's compiled. It takes a little time because that's a compile. And it runs our program in the console. Hello World, this is C#. Ta-da! Okay. I'm going to stop there. That's our first setup. Download that .NET SDK, add the extension, right, C# extension, and then set up your project with that .NET new console and then .NET Run to run it. All right, hope that made sense. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.